Ho ho ho, hey girl, hey, my name is Kaya if you're new here, and welcome to my channel. Today's look is this, of course, yours truly. It is Grinch inspired because I have an ugly sweater party that I'm going to, and it's Grinch. So get into the look, get into the vibes, and let's roll tape. Let's get into this look. I already did my eyebrows and now I'm about to start on my eyes, and the palette that I'm going to use today is going to be I'm actually going to start with my Morphe eyeshadow Second Nature palette, and the official names will be in the description. And I'm actually going to start with this girly right here. I don't know the names of the eyeshadows. Unfortunately, they didn't print them on this one, so babe, I don't know what to say. So I'm going to set my eyes with this color. So this is going to be my neutral tone color to just give my eyes like a base, because I'm going in with the, I think, green. But I have to make this super fast because yeah, we gotta go. We have to drive to Orlando and for a Christmas holiday sweater. That's what I'm getting ready for. But I have people meeting me here because they're gonna ride with me, so I need to be ready. Like, I don't want to be that person that's having everybody wear. Like, it's stressing me out thinking about that I might be that person. So anyways, yeah, I am going to go in to that same palette with a brown tone, like a warm brown. This color right here is what I'm picking up, and I'm gonna put this right in my crease area, towards the edge of my eye, just like this. I'm gonna bring it towards the middle, but I'm just honestly only bringing it over to blend it in. I'm not doing anything else, and I'm just blending it right into that crease area and to add back in some definition so that my eyes aren't just flat. All right, perfect. So now I'm gonna go in with my it's the NYX liquid liner is what I'm gonna go in with next. NYX liquid liner, and this is gonna be in the color White Blanco. And it's gonna get in my lashes, which I'm not worried about because I'm gonna put on some mascara anyway. But my lashes are so curly that, girl, it's ridiculous. It's so curly. So it never fails that this happens. Okay. So here are my eyes with the white. So now I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Masquerade palette to grab the green. This is the shimmery green that I'm gonna grab. It's so bright. Oh, I'm a little nervous, but hey, scamming don't make no money, okay? So I'm gonna just pat this all over the white lines that I've already drawn out for this. All right, now I'm gonna line with my NYX Epic Ink liner in the color Black. I just realized I could have started with the black liner and then gone into the green liner. I don't know why I didn't just do it that way. All right, here I go being crazy, but I'm gonna go into my Morphe and James Charles palette, and there's this deeper green. It's this one right here that I want to try with this on my lid. So we're gonna just try this out. We're gonna experiment. I don't know why I'm experimenting, because Lord knows if it doesn't come out right, I don't have any recourse. Like, girl, oh my gosh, oh my god, oh My God, this color is so pigmented. I did not expect that at all. Wow. I mean, I appreciate that it's pigmented though, at the very least. I'm just gonna cover my entire lid. We are too far gone. We're too far gone, babes, to not just go in and just do that. I had no idea she was this pigmenty. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go in with orange color to see if I can just kind of soften this out on the edges. So I am taking this color right here to soften the edges of this, because the green coming all the way up just doesn't work for me. So I'm just gonna kind of erase it with by adding in this deep burnt orange kind of color, and it actually blends so well. I appreciate the blend for this on this. You guys, it came out so cute. Wow. Wow. Okay, I see the vision. I see the vision. All right, so now I'm about to move into my foundation while my lashes dry so I can put them on, and I'm gonna go in with my Double Wear Estee Lauder long lasting foundation in the color 7W1 Deep Spice. All right, and then I just put my lashes on, and I honestly don't know what type of lashes these are, because I just kind of like found them somewhere. But now I'm gonna go into my Too Faced Born This Way in the color Chestnut to go underneath my eyes with. I try not to do too much here too, because like honestly, we in the house. It ain't no need to kind of like go too ham with it, honestly. I gotta kick it into high gear because I'm like really running behind, like, it's fine. I'm gonna bronze with Hourglass foundation stick in the color Chestnut, which is so crazy because my concealer is in the color Chestnut, but it's a bright color. But this is a obviously from Too Faced, but this one from Hourglass, that's a foundation stick. The Chestnut color is very much warmer, and it's a darker tone. So all chestnuts are not created equally, clearly. But yeah, I'm gonna put that on. I feel like this lighting is making my face look so crazy, but it's really not that. It's really not looking crazy, at least in my eyes. All right, and then I'm going to go in with two different colors for blush, and these are lip stains from Sephora. This one is the color 79 lip stain, and then this one is the 67. These, I just feel like they just come out deep. They just come out better on my skin than. And it's hard for me to find these colors, so I just kind of, honestly, Sephora got a lip stain collection. Well, they had it. I don't know. I got these a while ago. They had a lip stain collection that was so extensive. Like there's so many colors of lip stains, and when I saw these colors, I immediately was like, okay, I think I'm gonna just use this for blush, because I couldn't find it at the time, a blush that I liked, a liquid blush that I liked. I'm using the pinker 67 tone in the inner parts of my cheeks. But like I was saying, anytime I tried to look for a color like these for my tone, like it just wasn't, it was just too sheer, or it was too potent, or it wasn't the pink that I wanted, or it wasn't the peach that I wanted, because the 69 color, is it 69? The 79 color is more peachy, And this 67 color is more pinky. So, long story short, I've been rocking with it ever since. You see how pink it is? Ooh, baby, it gives, okay? It gives. And so, I really mess with it. All right, so now it's time to put on these powders. Today I'm gonna do 2 different powders. I'm gonna start off with my Fenty Beauty powder in the color Hazelnut, and then I'm gonna top it with the Fenty Beauty powder in the color Cashew. Hazelnut gives a very good coverage, but it has these orange tones, which is great. You know, for my regular type of vibe. It goes with this concealer so well that I have on, but after it sits, it just gets a little too like orange for me. So then that's when I go in with my with Cashew on top. I am gonna let this sit for a second, and then I'm going to go in with color from Juvia's Place in my inner eyes. And the color I'm gonna do is Giza. I wore this color, Giza, for where did I wear it? I wore it for the Beyonce movie premiere, and I just honestly, I really liked it. So I'm gonna just use this again in the inner corners of my eye. Wow. I let my face kind of set. I feel like this face quickly turned into like full glam so quickly, but that was not my original intent. But here we are. All right, set enough. It's set enough, so I'm gonna go ahead on and wipe this off. And with Fenty, it sticks, so I do kind of have to rub it off, honestly, like that, because you can't have too much powder. And then I go underneath with Cashew, and with Cashew I'm going to use a brush to apply. Tap off excess. And I'm just going to put her, like I said, she kind of like brightens up the under eye and then mutes all the yellow tones that's screaming from Cashew. She mutes it a little bit, which I like, especially on my eyes, underneath my eyes. Okay, poo-poo, I see you. Now y'all see why I was doing the green, because I got this cute beanie and it's so cute. I'm so excited. It's so cute. Like, what? ¿Qué pasa, mami? So yeah, the makeup is looking fire. The eyes are fabulous, but I need to put on some mascara because I got some of the white on my, like I told y'all, like when you get the white, you gotta go in with the mascara after. I forgot to do my under eye, so I'm gonna go underneath my eyes with the green from the James Charles palette. This green right here. I'm sorry, this is gonna be a little bit all over the place because I'm just trying to get it done. But this green right here, the very, 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 like, wow. Talk about it shows up and shows out. This color really does show up and show out. So I'm not gonna do too much, very light hand to do this. So yeah. And now all I gotta do is put on my lip, which I'm gonna just go put on the rest of my clothes first because I like to do that, and then I'll put on my lip. All right, you guys. Okay, so I just need to put on the lip real quick. Okie dokie, I got it pokey. Okie dokie pokey, I got it. The two colors I'm gonna use is I'm gonna line my lips with the Lush Chocolates color from Infallible Beauty from L'Oreal, and then I'm going to fill the rest in with my NYX lip cream Berlin. So let's get it popping, shawty. Alright you guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. It is so beautiful. Like the green, the chocolate lips. Oh, and then I can show y'all. The sweater goes with the hats. It's all green for me, okay? But yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Everything that I use will be in the description box below. Comment below if you like this look or if there's any other inspo for the holidays, because your girl is super inspired right now. Okay? See you guys in the next video. Bye.